Alright, last but not least, go ahead and put your lid on. I go ahead and put the screw, and then we're just going to tighten those down. Like I said, you don't need to over tighten them. Just snug them up. It comes with a rubber ring. You can see here, it goes all the way around. That will seal this up good. So you don't have to worry about getting it too tight. And right here, you can see that rubber ring I was telling you about. And as you screw these down, it compresses. And that, my friends, is all it takes to install this. So don't be intimidated by the septic guys that tell you it's going to be $650 to install this, because I did this in about an hour. All it takes is a little bit of work. Alright, well, I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on how to install this Polylock system, and hopefully it'll save you some time and money. And if you're scared to install something, hopefully it'll give you the confidence you need to realize that this is easy to install.